Welcome back, YouTubers. Thank you for joining me. And today, I'm working on a 2007 Toyota RAV4. This is the 4-cylinder, 2.4 liter. The engine is 2AZ-FE. Customer complains that they woke up this morning and the car won't start. So I did my basic diagnostics, checked the battery. First thing, as you guys can see, it's a brand new battery. I also tested with my multimeter. It's good. What else? I scanned the car for any codes. None. No codes. Then when I go cycle the key, the engine does not rotate. You don't hear a clicking from the starter or anything like that. So I'm suspecting it's going to be a starter. We're going to go after the starter. You want to disconnect the battery. First thing you want to do is disconnect the battery, because there's power to the starter. Know that the battery is sitting on top of the starter. The starter is right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. You want to lift up this panel. Remove the battery bracket. There's two 10mm bolts right here. There's one right there. The other one's right there. I've already loosened them. I'm going to remove it. Then your two battery terminals. The first one you want to move is the negative one, which is this one. As you can see, there's positive. Lift up. There's a 10 right there. I've already loosened them like that. Then we're going to pull the battery out. We're going to go after the starter. Let me do that for you. Then we'll move forward. I got the battery out. This is the battery tray. There's a plastic cover for the battery tray, but I already took that out. In order to move the battery tray, you have these two clips that holds the harness. Right here. This one and this one. Use a plier, just pry them out. And you got 4 of these 12mm. You got 1, 2, 3. And the 4th one right here, it's connected to your ground, your terminal ground. So remember, when you put this back in, make sure to connect your ground to the chassis, or else your car will not start. And go ahead and just slide this battery tray out, just like this. Set it to the side. Then there's going to be one more. You can say this is where the battery tray rests on. There's 2 more right here. 2 more. 12mm bolts. 1, 2. Once you remove those 2, we could gain access to the starter. This is the starter. Let me remove this, then we'll remove the starter. So there's the starter. What you're going to want to do first is open this cap. This is just a cover to the positive terminal, so it doesn't short the car out. This is a 12mm nut. And you want to remove this this signal wire. It's just a clip. You just pinch it, pull it. Then down here, you have a 14mm bolt, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And back here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's behind this hose right here. There's another bolt, 14mm. It's right there. This one, 14mm. You're gonna need to get. It's probably easier with an extension. Go through here with an extension, 14mm, and you should be able to get it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. I'm gonna set the phone down and I'm gonna do that. Then we'll get back to it. I got the old starter out. This is the new starter. I got this from the auto parts store. These are the 2 14mm that I was telling you guys about. The 14mm bolts. This one, the one in the back. And then this is the one in the front, right here. And I was telling you, the one in the back here, you have to get it with an extension. They both go right here. the starter right there. One bolt, the other bolt goes there. Starter goes in here. Then you use your extension. You get it from there. I'm gonna set the new starter in. Then we're gonna tighten down these two 14mm bolts. Just like this. Just goes in like this. So watch out for this harness wire. That's in. Then like I say, tighten down this bolt 14mm. Tighten down this bolt 14mm. Remove this nut right here, this new one. Install your power cable. Remove this foam right here. This is the new foam that came with the package. Plug in your harness. This harness wire right there. Then you get your first bracket, your battery tray. The two bolts right here, 12mm. Tighten those two down. Then you get your cover. You tighten those down. They're also 12mm. They're also 12mm, but don't forget this important ground wire right there. This one. This is your battery terminal cable. Your chassis ground. Then install your battery. After you install your battery, go ahead and start up your car. You should be good to go. Once again, thank you, YouTubers. If you like this kind of content, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. Have a great day. Be safe, guys.